Greetings, it's Eric Bakker, the Naturopath from New Zealand. Thanks for coming back and checking us out. We're on to video 7. This is the last video in the remove series. In video 8, we're going to start on the replace part of the program. You may not feel perfect at this stage, and that's perfectly fine too. As long as you've been consistent. We're not after perfection, we're after consistency. So don't worry about being perfect, it's not important. The remove stage was never meant to fix or cure any kind of problem at all. It was meant to prepare you and to clear the runway, remember, to get the path clean. So let's recap again briefly what the remove stage was really designed to do. It was designed to remove some microbial load from your gut already. That's right, just by cleaning your bowel, you're going to reduce the microbial pressure in the colon. We're going to improve the bowel flow and tone. We're also going to look at calming the gut nervous system loop. So getting you to see the connection between how you're living, how you're eating, how you're working, how you're relating to other people, and your gut, because there's a big connection there. We also discussed stop actively feeding the overgrowth. And this is by removing the junk foods or the top tier crap from the diet. That was the main aim of remove. Nothing flash, no fireworks, nothing brilliant, just basic stuff. What success really looks like? Well, many people underestimate that. They think that success is a complete disappearance of all your symptoms, like a cure. Everything's gone. We're looking for fewer symptom spikes. We're looking more stability. We're looking a little bit more energy. We're looking at more predictable reactions and a sense that things feel a bit more settled in your body. If you can even feel 2% or 3% of what I mentioned, you're already on a winner. It means that remove is working for you. We're looking for stability, and it's this stability that makes the next stage really work well. At this stage, some people think, should I stay in the cleansing phase longer? Do I need to do more bowel cleanse? Well, if your digestion feels pretty stable, not too bad, elimination's working quite well for you, there are no powerful bowel kind of symptoms there, you can easily move on to the next stage, to the replace stage. You don't need to clean harder, restrict more, repeat colon cleanse. You don't need to add lots and lots of medications just in case. You don't need to jump from one diet to another at this stage. My recommendation is not to change direction if progress feels quiet. This is what people very commonly do. Remove stage is not a lifestyle. It's a cleansing preparatory phase. But can you stay longer in the remove phase? Of course you can. Some people stay for 2 weeks or more, especially people who are coming from sedentary backgrounds or very poor diets, or people who are transitioning from high medication to a cleaner approach. But the trick is not to focus too much just on bowel cleansing all the time. It's good to keep going with the support in the background, whole foods, plenty of hydration, probiotics, enzymes. These all are going to help to support your gut and move you nice and easily through this stage. Would supplements help in this stage? They certainly would. I can highly recommend the active enzymes and the daily probiotics, our 2 formulations that will support the digestive system very well through this stage and going into the replace stage. So what comes next? What's in video 8? What are we going to talk about next? Well, we're going to look at the replace phase. Replace does not undo what remove does. It builds upon remove. It builds upon this foundation. So replace focuses on these core things. Improving digestion further. So we're looking more at pancreatic and stomach function. We're trying to really get those working well. We're going to replace ultra-processed foods. So we'll discuss that more. We're going to try and really support and strengthen nutrient breakdown, which builds upon the excretion that we did in the remove stage. We're also going to try and help work and support the gut lining more. So work on reversing leaky gut that many people develop. And of course, we're going to try and expand food tolerance, not tighten the rules and restrict further. At this stage, many people take out all kinds of foods like gluten and dairy foods, but there may not be any need for that at all. We're moving from the clearing stage to the nourishing stage. If your digestive system feels calm rather than dramatic, that's absolutely perfect, and that's what we're aiming for. This is how long-term foundation recovery begins. In the next video, we step into replace, the second stage of the Lite program. You're definitely not behind, you're prepared, and that's real powerful. Thanks for tuning in. Let's catch up with you in video 8. Don't forget to like and sub. Thank you.